Windows 10 download. How to download October update. How to install Windows 10. Microsoft has now officially released the Windows October 10, 2018 update. So how do you download the October update? The Windows October 10, 2018 update has now been released by Microsoft. The update was however quickly pulled soon after launch after a small number of users complained the version was unexpectedly deleting their files. This led Microsoft to pause the rollout while they fully resolved the issue. Now the rollout has been resumed. Let express.co.uk explain how to download October update. Backup important data first. There is always some inherent risk to installing major operating system updates, so users are strongly advised to first backup your important data. The File History tool is your first port of call. Access this by clicking Start, Settings, Update and Security, and Backup. Then upload the data, such as photos, films, or documents to backup drive, whether that's an external USB drive, a network share or network-attached drive. How to download and install the Windows October 10 update with Update Assistant. If you are experiencing issues with Windows Update, you can force your PC to download the Windows October 10, 2018 update by using the Update Assistant tool. To do this, head to the Windows 10 Update Assistant webpage and click Update Now. The tool will download, then check for the latest version of Windows 10, which includes the October 2018 update. Once downloaded, run it, then select Update Now, and the tool will do the rest. Your computer will restart a few times, so save any work first and then your PC will load the October update, while all your files and settings will remain where they were. How to manually download and install the Windows October 10 update. Microsoft has also made the Windows October 10, 2018 update ISO files available for download, so you can perform a fresh install of the Windows October 10, 2018 update. ISO files are disk images that enable you to burn bootable CD or DVDs or create bootable USB sticks so that you can perform a fresh install of Windows October 10, 2018 update. To make a bootable USB drive, use Microsoft's Windows USB/DVD download tool. Once done, load up the file and follow the instructions to install the Windows October 10, 2018 update.